Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's feeling very well. So today we're going to look at Cohorted. This is the April box. For those of you that do not know, Cohorted is a monthly subscription box. It will contain like makeup and beauty products. The price is £39.99. Quite an expensive beauty box. However, I do feel like this is more of a luxury box and you do get some branded items within the box. If you haven't already entered the April giveaway, it is for a JEFFREE star mirror. I'll leave a picture up here somewhere so you can kind of have a look. I'll also leave the link down below. I'll also leave the link for the Cohorted website and the price details and everything you need to know again down below. So let's get into this box. Okay, so we've got a white box. Sometimes they're black, sometimes they are white. The packaging I feel is really expensive looking and feeling. And inside the box you get a load of gumph of leaflets, etc., which I'm not going to bore you with. And then you get a glossy book, which I think is beautiful and again really good quality. This will give you prices and a short description, I guess, of the contents. And inside, just a quick look at what we've got this month. So the value of this box is, they're saying £146.49. Okay, so looking at the first item, it is a nail varnish. This is the make of Castor Black. It has a recommended retail of £15. Castor's Black water and breathable nail polish delivers durability without the need for harsh chemicals. There's a whole load of bump. Now, I don't know whether you guys want me to read everything out, but that's quite nice. So let's have a look. It's a pretty colour. That's it there. Do you like my nail varnishes? That's very pretty. Very springy summer colour. So yeah, look forward to trying that. First item. Okay, and then on to the next we have, oh, this is also by Castor Black. This is a matte liquid lipstick. The shade is Do Gooder. It has a recommended retail price of £21. It's a non-sticky, super pigmented, non-bleed and super long-lasting lipstick comprised of ultra nourishing oils. The mix of oils work to utilize fatty acids that regenerate new skin cells, hydrate and encourage anti-aging skin regenerating thrills. How to use the edge of the applicator to outline your lips, fill in using the flat side of the applicator and allow to dry. It has olive oil, prickly pear oil, passion fruit oil, chameleon oil and olus oil. So that's, box is quite basic. I guess that's the colour there. I'm guessing this is going to go with your nail varnish. Box is very pretty inside. Okay, quite basic packaging. And oh, that's the colour there. Little swatch. It's like a deep pink. So you can tell there is oils in this product. I mean, it goes on really lovely and smoothly. I probably made an absolute car crash applying it, but it's just to give you guys an idea of what it looks like on the lips. Okay, so that is that item. Next we have, just finding it. Oh, we've got an Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit. This is in the shade medium. This has a recommended of £46. That's it there. I don't own anything by, oh, it's a nice hefty palette. Wowza. It's So I don't own anything but Anastasia Beverly Hills. Okay, so it's like this. So it's saying that we have the cream, we have banana, which I'm assuming is a powder, maybe. We have a warm coral, we have cinnamon, chocolate, sorry, and ash brown. This is very nice. You can just feel the quality on this. It's absolutely gorgeous. So that's it there. And quite nice colours. And then the bottom three. Wow, they're intense. That's them. So as you can see, very, very pigmented. Okay, well, they're all creams, so I'm going to have to learn how to use it. But yeah, I'm really, really pleased with that. Wow. Really happy. And that's the box there on the back, so it gives you all your shade colours there. And like I said, this is for medium skin toned. Okay, next we have, or let me just read a little bit about it. Achieve the sculpted look with this all-in-one kit containing 3 highlighters and a contour shade with a matte finish. Their innovative cream formula lets you sculpt, define and colour, correct your complexion with precision and seamless blendability. How to use, highlight the high points of the face with the top row, using a shade that matches your skin's undertones, contour the hollows of the face. Look forward to trying it. Okay, next we have Cohorted Beauty. This is a Beer exfoliating wash. It's a 30ml. This has a recommended retail price of £10.50. The Beer exfoliating wash is a gentle everyday cleanser with natural jojoba grains that exfoliate and polish the skin. Its key ingredients such as elderflower, water, grapefruit, safflower, milk, thistle oils help to both tone and cleanse. Gently massage the entire face and neck area with small circular movements, then rinse off with water. Sounds easy enough. So let's have a look at this. Oh, it's got one of them. Oh, no, it hasn't. Oh, yes, it has. Oh. So it comes out like a pump. I'm just going to put a little smidgen on to see what the fragrance is like. That really basically doesn't have much of a scent at all. Oh, yes, it does now. That's actually really nice. It's very refreshing, and I can feel like the grains in while I'm actually swishing this around on my skin, so I can feel the grains actually working on that. So I'll give that a go. I love the smell, it's gorgeous. So that's that. Right, next we have a Generation Clay Brightening Purple Clay Mask. This is a 15ml product. The recommended on this is £5. Generation Clay's Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask is full of Davidson Plum, a superfruit native to Australia. This natural version of alpha hydroxy acid rejuvenates dull, tired skin while lightening dark circles and pigmentation. Generation Clay restores your skin by reducing the free radical damage and slowing the aging process, also encouraging illumination, brightening and refining. So the key benefits of this is to restore, illuminate, brighten, refine. Apply an even layer to clean, dry skin. Wait approximately 10 minutes or until the mask starts to tighten. Use water to gently rinse off your mask in circular motions, then lightly pat your skin dry. Now, I've had this before and I did actually use it, and I would say that most of the claims are correct. I would say that it does illuminate, it does brighten. Not too sure about the refine and restore part of it, but I did feel like my skin looked healthy, healthier. Okay, so this one has got these little silver tabby things on it. And I'll just dollop a little tiny bit so you can see the consistent, oh God, if I can get it out. No, I can't get this out because it still has like a plastic film over it. I can say that from what I remember, it does come out quite a thick purple colour, and you'll probably have about 2 or 3 uses out of this, so not too bad. Okie doke, next we have Bybee Buffer Lip Scrub. This is a 10ml. It has a recommended of £9. Want luscious lips? Bybee's Natural Lip Scrub gives you just that. A powerful lip exfoliator to slay away dead skin and ensure smooth and well contoured lips at all times. Formulated with strawberry extract and cinnamon oil to encourage circulation underneath the skin, which enhances shape and definition. Plus, it smells lovely too. This natural lip scrub is great prep for wearing lipsticks, as the scrub meets better and long-lasting coverage. Soon it will become a staple part of your regime because it's one of those products you didn't know you needed until you had it. Okay, so any more information on that? I do like lip scrubs, and I am into the Elf. It's like on a lipstick and I just bob it over, and I do agree with the claims that it does last out lipstick and you get a smooth application, so I do tend to do that daily. Okay, so that was this. So apply a pea size on the lips, gently rinse well with water. Oopsie. Ooh. Okay, so yeah, I can see the grains in that. I got something similar to this in a box before, but it was like a lip plumper. So I'll use these two together. That is that. Very nice. Next we have a Memi. This is an eyeshadow palette. The shade is Millennial. It's recommended at £22. A 12 shade vegan and cruelty free neutral eyeshadow palette that features ultra buttery matte and shimmer finishes. Travel friendly and housed in a luxe mirror compact, Memi's Millennial Eyeshadow Palette contains a full pigmented formula to create professional, long-wearing looks that you can dial down or amp up. The pigment-rich blendable formula boosts longevity and blends seamlessly onto the eyelids with minimal fallout. Why you'll love it: intense pigmentation, easy to blend formula, long-lasting colour, minimal fallout, cruelty-free and vegan certified. So that's the colours there. Let's have a look at the palette. So it comes in this, and inside. This is quite nice. Hello. So this is going to definitely probably be a bit of a finger magnet. And we have some interesting names. We have Nudist, Boss Bitch, In Check, 90s Baby, One Love, All Ass, Iconic, Finesse, Stacey's Mom, Wavy, Focus, I Severe. So we have the mirror, and these are the colours. So let's do some swatches. Nice colours actually. Very wearable every day. Put them on there. Pretty. And I'll just do another one. Nice. And the last row. Ooh, that's nice. Try and get some of that off. This one's gorgeous. Let's bung that. Wish I'd bung it. Yeah. It's a bit of a mess, sorry. Ooh. So wow. Nice. So we've got our eyeshadow, we've got our nail varnish, our lippy, and our contour palette. Not far off a full face of makeup. Okay, pleased with that. Like it a lot. I will use it. And then we have our last item, which is toothpaste. Okay. So, toothpaste here. This is called Le Bon. Recommended retail of £17.99. Enjoy a moment of feeling calm and grounded from the get-go with fresh fusion of mint rounded with a subtle hint of cinnamon. With the well-known stress-reducing benefits of cinnamon and the inspiration of the wild beaches of Nicoya Peninsula on the Pacific coast of Costa Rica, Villa Nocrolina is a great flavour to add to your routine and start your day fully relaxed. Le Bon toothpaste are designed and manufactured in France, plus the tubes are recyclable and the wood fibre packaging comes from sustainably managed forests. Okay, so that's all it says on there. Let's have a look at the product. Oh, it's very nice packaging. It does not look like toothpaste at all. So that is the packaging there. £17.99 for toothpaste. It's got that sort of money to pay for toothpaste. Does it? Definitely smell the cinnamon in it. For sure, it's a very, very thick toothpaste. I mean, I've already put a dent in mine trying to squeeze a blob of it out. Okay, well, different. Will I use it? Definitely give it a go. So, I have this on my finger. Let's wipe that on there. Okay, so just to recap what we have in our box. We have the toothpaste. We have the gorgeous nail varnish. We have the lipstick to match, which is gorgeous. We have the Generation Clay, which I'll definitely give it a go. I'll definitely give this a go. We have the lip scrub. We have the eyeshadow palette. And we have the Anastasia, oh, what is it? Anastasia Beverly Hills. That's my daughter's name, Anastasia. Just a bit of random information there, but we call her Stacey for short. So I think this box is well worth 40 quid. Don't know if you agree. Leave your comments down below. What's your favourite item? Do you think this box is worth £40 per month? I have to agree that this month I feel like definitely. That's it really. That's all I've got to show you. Don't forget to enter the JEFFREE star. I'll also link other cohorted boxes somewhere up here if you want to take a look at those videos just to see what you do get for your money. And until we speak again, please stay safe, take good care of yourselves, enjoy the weather in your back gardens, have fun, and I'll speak to you in the next video. Bye for now, take care, bye.